Soaked fig water is a powerful natural health drink that supports the human body from the inside out. When dried figs are soaked overnight, they release essential nutrients such as dietary fiber, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants into the water. As this soaked fig water enters the digestive system, it gently activates the stomach, helping to reduce acidity and improve enzyme activity. Inside the intestines, the rich soluble fiber softens waste material, improves bowel movement, and naturally relieves constipation. At a microscopic level, nutrients from soaked fig water are absorbed through the intestinal walls and transported into the bloodstream. These nutrients support heart health by improving circulation, nourish muscles, and help maintain healthy energy levels throughout the body. Soaked fig water also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, strengthening digestion and boosting immunity. Its natural antioxidants help fight inflammation and support overall cellular health. However, excessive consumption of soaked fig water may cause side effects such as bloating, gas, stomach irritation, allergic reactions, or fluctuations in blood